I want to give a huge thank you to all of my new and old subscribers. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. I'm also thankful for the great suggestions and comments that you guys have left in the videos. As a way to show my gratitude for surpassing 500 subscribers, I'm conducting a giveaway. I'm giving away a Maxpedition Mini Pocket Organizer. I will leave a link to the video I did giving the details of this organizer. The way to enter the contest is to leave a comment in this video with either a preparedness tip our community can use or how you will use the kit. I look forward to reading all of your comments and we'll pick the winner on January 24th. I'll leave the winner in the comments section. Good luck to everyone who enters. And again, a sincere thank you to everyone who has supported and subscribed to this channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.